Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a spring inspired makeup tutorial. I'm super excited because I'm just so excited for spring. I love pastel colors. I love the weather and just like everything about spring. So if you guys want to see my spring makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first, we're going to prime our eyes with some concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. I'm just going to take a brush and blend that out. I'm going to set that concealer with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. So for today's look, we're going to be taking the Beauty Bay EYN Bright palette. And the first shade that we're going to take is the shade Tutu from that palette. And we're basically just going to put that into our crease. This is like a light pink shade. We're just going to blend that into our crease. And also out and blend it out on our outer corner. I'm going to take Make Them Wink and just put that into the crease as well. I'm using an M441 brush for that. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I'm going to take Hello Sunshine on like a dense flat brush and just set that crease with that, or set the lid with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, because it's not showing up as like vibrant as I want it to, I'm gonna take the Athena palette and I'm gonna take this yellow right here. I'm gonna put that on the lid. Now I'm going to take Hello Sunshine and just set that palette with that, because you have to set the thinner palette, otherwise it'll just be all like creasy and stuff, which this is kind of getting separated because I put the eyeshadow down first and then I did the Athena palette on top of it, but I don't feel like taking it off, so we're just going to have to live with it. Okay, that's cute. I'm just going to take a small flat brush and I'm going to take Hot Stuff. I'm just going to go right above the crease just to deepen it up some. Now I'm going to do a wing eyeliner. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and then we'll come back to do the face and the under eye with you guys. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera. Now we're gonna move on to our face. So I already did primer. Now for foundation, we're gonna use my go-to foundation. I love this foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 335. Now for under eye concealer, we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C6. So I'm going to put it on my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my cupid's bow. I'm going to let my under eyes sit for a little bit, and we're going to bronze with the ColourPop Bronze Stick in the shade Shell Beach. I'm going to blend that out with the Morphe M242 brush. Now we're going to blend out our under eyes with the Morphe M133 brush. we're going to set our concealer with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. And now for liquid blush, we're going to take the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Rosy Posy. And now for under our eyes, we're going to take Daydream on a M302 brush and just pop that under our eye. Now we're going to take Rise and Shine, which is like a shimmery yellow shade, and just pop that in our inner corner. Also going to pop it under our brow bone. So I'm going to go off camera, put on some lashes, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished spring inspired makeup look. I love it so much. I think it's very spring. It's very pastel and bright. It's also giving like Easter egg vibes. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. Please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers, and I would love to have you as part of my little YouTube family. And if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy spring, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.